Welcome to this series of videos of Chote Scientist. Chote Scientist is a program initiated by KPIT where our volunteers go into schools and teach the science to kids using simple toys, simple experiments. So we thought of sharing our experience, sharing our learnings through this series of videos. And of course, we are not gurus, but we thought this will help the new volunteers to take up this program ahead. And that's where we have started this series of videos. So what we do is we go to schools. Of course, we carry our Chote Scientist kit with us, and we start the dialogue with kids using simple games, and then we demonstrate the either a toy or an experiment to them, and then explain the science behind it. So I'm sure you will also have the same fun when you go into the schools and teach the science to kids. I hope you will enjoy these videos and you will see how we initiate the dialogue with kids, and the kids also enjoy the sessions. So hoping that you will also enjoy the sessions, and your feedback is always welcome. Thank you. Centrifugal force. I still remember it was very difficult to understand the topic when I learned the concept in my childhood. So when I was planning to take this session with the kids, I thought of using one sport which helped me to understand the centrifugal force in practical sense, how it is getting applied on my body. And I think when you are planning to go for any such sessions, just try to relate it to your surroundings. Think about the things which helped you understand this topic and explain them to the kids. So let's see centrifugal force.
Hello girls.
Hi, sir.
So, what is the topic for discussion today?
Nothing special, sir.
Seriously? No topic? Okay, then let me give you a topic, okay?
From book?
Not from book. Maybe from the newspaper? Shall we call them as well?
Yes.
Shivani, Shriya, come here. Ayushi, Priya, come here. Yeah. So I am going to give you a topic for discussion. Have you seen a pro kabaddi in recent days?
Yes.
So you must have seen Abhishek Bachchan as well, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Isn't it good that we started recognizing our traditional games?
Yes, sir. Like Hututu, Langdi, Kho.
Yeah, and Fugdi too.
Yes.
You know what? In my childhood, we used to play a Fugdi competition. The pair who used to play long time and faster, they used to win. So, what about playing a Fugdi competition here? Will do?
Yes.
Okay. Can we make pairs then? Yeah? Choose your partner. Chalo. So, how does it feel when you are playing Fugdi?
I felt like if I release my partner's hand, I would be thrown. In fact, I was feeling pushed away from my partner.
Correct. I think it's not only you. Everyone felt the same way. And the reason behind is the centrifugal force. Okay? The centrifugal force was acting on your body. And that was doing the trick. Okay. We'll do one thing. I have one small pipe with me. We'll do one demonstration, okay? That will explain you how the centrifugal force work. I have some small pieces of papers here, and I have this pipe. It looks like a snake, but it's not a snake, yeah? Let's see what happens. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to point one end of this pipe towards these papers, and I'm going to revolve this another end. Okay, Let's see what happens. Now you have to keep looking at this end. Yeah. You got it? What was happening here? The the pieces were coming out from this end. The centrifugal force was acting at this end. So it was throwing the air out, that is away from the center of the pipe. And due to this, there was low pressure belt created inside the pipe. So the pieces of paper went inside from the other end. Yeah? And as the centrifugal force was working, all the pieces were thrown out.
Sir, do we use this trick of the force anywhere?
Yes, actually. Have you seen the sprinklers in the garden?
Yes, I've seen it.
Now for this sprinkler, we need one straw, one long toothpick, one scissor and a sellotape. Now let me show you how we make it. Take this straw first, fold it in a halfway. Okay. Now just press this folded end a little. Okay, this. Now I am going to put this toothpick near this fold like this. Okay, can you see this? Yeah. Now when holding upside down around 1 centimeter from each side, I am going to cut this pipe. Cut in the sense I am going to give a slit into this pipe, not cutting it. Okay, let's see. So I am not cutting it fully, just giving it a slit. Okay, so there are two slits. Give the slit till you can bend this, right? Great. Our sprinkler is ready actually. I'm just going to use this cellotape and this way, just going to roll it here, making sure that so what will happen due to the centrifugal force, as we see in that our last example, we are revolving sprinkler like this. Now the air will get thrown out from these ends. It will create a low pressure belt. Since this end is in the water, the water will get inserted from this end. It will throw out the air. Since there is a water, it will throw out the water along with the air, and that's how our centrifugal force applies on this sprinkler. Now look at these ends. Wow! Isn't it amazing?
Yes.
Now you can water your garden like this, yeah? Yes. You want to play?
Yes.
Come here. So it's sprinkling the water.
Yeah.
So you see how easy it is, and you people think that science is complicated, right? sprinkler